How to hide friend list on Facebook. Easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to hide friend list on Facebook. So let's get started. You can open up your Facebook on your mobile phone or your laptop. So I have opened up on my laptop, and then you will open up your profile and go to your settings. Click right here on account and then click on settings. This is where you will get. Now I'll show you how to hide your friend list. For that, you have to scroll down to privacy. In privacy, you will see your activity, and then we have the option of how people can find and contact you. So you can see we have option of who can send your friend request, and then we have who can see your friend list. This is where we can hide it. Click on edit, and then you can select the option of public, friends, friends except, specific friends, and only me. Select only me, and then your friend list will be hidden and no one will be able to see it. Now close it, and you can see this setting has been updated and I will be able to hide my friend list from everyone. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.